Hello and welcome to Tom's TC. I am at Motorcycle Live in Birmingham, NEC. So join us while I check out the bikes and look around the show. I do. Motorcycle Live is probably the biggest show for motorcycles in the UK, and this year was no exception. Far better than last year in my opinion. Just as busy, really well set out, loads to do if you've got the time, and if you're in the market for a new motorcycle, this is the place to go. So please enjoy the video. If this is your first time watching my videos, give us a subscribe, give us a thumbs up. This year I brought my wife Sarah along, my mate Paul, and my mum and dad turned up to meet us there as well. And there's a cameo from Uncle Red. So go and check out Uncle Red's YouTube channel as well. So we're just having a look at Sarah's favourite bike, the Mto7, and she's a little bit disappointed with the new model, but she's going to have a sit on it anyway. And what was your main reasons for not liking this one?
The key's there. I don't like this. It's ugly.
You've got red involved now. The light's weird.
Yeah.
See, the thing is, the Suzuki really, when you look at Suzuki's 8S, you've got better spec. You have radial brakes on the 8S, you've got upside down forks.
Can I interject with one thing?
Go on then.
If you have a look closely, because I like cleaning bikes.
Yeah.
Have a look where the front wheel is. You try cleaning all of that.
Oh yeah, it's a
That's
nightmare.
gonna be a pain.
Yeah.
I don't like it.
Cleaning bike issues. The Suzuki is more expensive at 8,200 quid-ish, whereas we're looking at £7,510 for this. And you can see the componentry. But these make a fantastic noise. I just wanted to do a little piece on Honda's e-clutch. It's a great idea, but you can see this is the e-clutch here. It's a bolt-on. This is the CBR 650 engine, and it's a bolt-on inside the engine, which looks to me like a little bit of an afterthought. I can see the idea behind it. Basically, it'll make any engine of this type automatic. You can see it's a very complicated design. So here we go on the side of 650R. This is the e-clutch. Look, my dad's knee's getting right in the way there because he's trying to style it out. But it's a bit of a lump. I guess the idea being that you can turn any bike into an automatic.
That's quite dangerous. If you low slide it,
That's dead.
stuck underneath it.
Well, if you low slide it, that's dead. That's the end of your e-clutch.
I've got to go fast all the time.
Do something. Not what I had in mind.
It's got nice white tags.
So this is the 1000 Hornet. So we're just at the Honda stand here. So you've got the 750 that everyone knows. They've just brought out the 1000, and then you've got the 500 over there. This is my wife having a go on it. this one got the best reviews. Out of all the bikes in this range, what do you reckon? Not sure? It's not as radical looking as a Suzuki, is it? But Hondas are always a bit like that.
That's good money, it's £7 grand.
Yeah, it's cheaper than the Suzuki. So just walking back through the show right now, and I tell you what, it's living busy this year. There's so much to do. We haven't even scratched the surface yet. So it's basically just a case of milling through, see what's about, go from there. I've got a few more bikes I want to look at for definite. I'm doing my best to film everything, but it's a bit of a task when there's so many people around. So Paul and Dad have found the Multistrada. Is it this particular one?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
No.
See, that's the only thing, right? I mean, look at that. That's a bit.
In the way, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah, they could have finished that a little bit.
Really.
They could have finished that a little bit better.
Yeah.
If I'm just being picky, when I'm going to spend
No, I agree
50
with you.
grand or whatever it is on
Totally.
it.
But this is the light spot mirrors as well, though.
Yeah, that's cool. It's got all the toys on it.
Oh, it's got everything.
Can you touch the floor?
Yes.
That looks obtrusive.
Oh, the radar on the front.
Yeah.
It's got screen.
That looks obtrusive as the.
So this is pure filth. The 698. Now this looks like a bit of a race ready version. Seriously, what a piece of kit. Now all been raving about this. This is the most powerful single cylinder or production bike of its type. That looks awesome. Bit of a license loser though. I'll have a little sit on that in a minute. Oh, look at this. Yeah, this is well smart. You've got a minimal display. Huh? Minimal display by the looks of things. Fits my frame pretty well. Come on. This is nice. Yeah, that's a nice bit of kit. I do like that. So this is the CF Moto 800 NK Advanced. You get a lot of bike for your money here. You've got the KTM derived engine and 95 horsepower, 2-cylinder liquid cooled. I mean, slipper clutch, fully adjustable suspension, ABS, and the pretty smart looking bike, if I do say so myself, for £7.5 grand. That ain't bad, and I bet it sounds pretty good too. So let's take a little. This is nice, isn't it?
That's different from the MT09.
Look at the size of the screen. Yeah, come look at this.
Wow.
Bring it in. Look at that. It's like a flipping tablet. Right, let's have a little sit on it then. It's not bad. That's quite comfortable for me. Switchgear feels quite nice.
It's cheap, isn't it? It's
£7.5 grand, yeah. That's undercutting the Suzuki. That's a big old unit there, isn't it? You'd be like that. I'll be home in a minute. Hang on a second. Yeah, no, I like that. It's really good. Bit plasticky there. Otherwise, everything else feels pretty good. So just here at the BMW stands, absolutely massive. We've got like a nice stage in the middle. We're obviously going to do a few bits and pieces later on the new GS. So just at the BMW stand, and we're just looking at the M series, M range, M series. That look rather special. Got adjustable rear sets. Quite like this. This is the XR.
My neighbour, he does a lot of continental riding, and his mate has got one of these. Bought it in July and wrote it off in August.
That looks smart. I quite like that.
It's a detail, isn't it?
Yeah.
So this is the 1000R.
Yeah, 1000R. XR. Sports touring crossover jobby. Yeah.
So this is more expensive than the one.
Yeah, and then you've got the RR.
The RR is about 30 grand. Just the race.
So this is Langham Lightspeed, and seeing it in person, the trouble is this light is a little bit dim here, but this is a stunning bike. The workmanship that's gone into this, beautiful. You've got the 1190 engine, Rotax engine that was designed originally for Buell. It's a superbike, 185 brake horsepower engine. Absolutely amazing. Do you manufacture the wheels for it? You can see these absolutely stunning. What section is it? 240. 240 rear section. You've got two twin shock I love these rear lights as well. Absolutely loving that engine and that swing arm. Beautiful colour. Ah, it's just awesome. Absolutely stunning motorcycle. I'll try and get a shot of those clocks as well. It's quite interesting rear with the chain on this. You've got like a tensioner halfway down. I guess that's because it's so long. It still looks really good. Those clocks. Look absolutely just awesome.
That's what it's people call it spend a day with it. I'm sure people will ask the
Yeah, and well, that is a beautiful bike. Do you like that?
That's nice.
Yeah, it's a cool little dial on it. So this is Triumph's 400 series, all at under £5,000, 4,995. It's a 400 single, isn't it?
Yeah,
Have a sit. I love that bike.
Maybe I'll just get one.
You could do. I'll be like that. I'll trade in the Mto7 for one.
Sorry.
That's right. That's the air intakes for the airbox.
They're expensive, aren't they?
This is the Street Fighter V4S. Go on it.
What do you think of that?
You gonna buy one?
I'll buy another one. I would, yes.
What do you reckon on the Java then?
I love it. I love the Diablo.
So this is the Java.
And chase the next drop. Setting evolution in motion.
Yeah, it's well smart.
I'll make a big bite and small. Got the electronic suspension on this as well.
It's just got really cool styling on it, hasn't it?
Okay.
It looks good.
Yeah. I'll just stay here.
All right, I'll leave you to it then. She wants to stay on this.
Yeah. So you're well impressed.
I like that.
Whee! If someone goes whee, you have to go whee. I'm just getting some footage. Well, I think we've got our money's worth.